Alright, here's a video of the unboxing of my Glacier Bay Powerflush. I'm not sure how you can see it, well you can see, but cardboard. Alright, folks, here's the tank. Here's the seat right there. It's in the box still. And, oh, Jesus, fuck, this thing's heavy. And here is the bowl. I think the tank lid's still in the box. Here we go. Alright folks, check that out. There's the bowl. There's the tank. There's some parts, some of which I don't need. And the box with the seat. And I believe the last thing coming out of the box is the tank lid. Alright. So, there's the toilet unboxed. And that's that for that. When I come back, this thing will be installed.